Whether you live in a cold climate or a hot climate, having a mini split inside in your workshop can be an absolute godsend on those really hot or really cold days. However, a big thing that you need to do to make sure that your mini split is working at its peak performance is making sure that the filters inside the mini split stay clean and clear of dust and debris. Today, I'm just going to walk you through real quick the process on what I do and how to open it up, remove the filters, get them cleaned up and reinstalled so we can make sure that we have plenty of nice AC in this hot Houston sun. There are a couple different mini split options. You may have one that is a plug-in or one that is hardwired. If you have a plug-in version, unplug it from the power supply. This is hardwired, so that's not a step I'm going to do here. I am working with an Almo brand mini split. You can get this right off of Amazon, and a lot of these have an inside front filtration system. And on the side, it's just two tabs that pull right up. Once you open it up, you can see your filters on the inside, and these things are disgusting. I don't have great dust filtration, and we've been doing a lot of woodworking here lately, and you can see the dust and debris is just literally caked on, and that will really impair its performance. To get out the filters is pretty easy. There are 3 tabs on the front. We just need to lift these bad boys up and over those tabs, and then the filters just slides right out. Same with the second one. We just lift it up and over the tabs and carefully pull the whole thing out. Depending on your dust filtration and your dust collection system in your garage, you definitely want to clean these filters probably once every 3 months, or in my case, with poor dust collection, probably about once a month. But with our filters out, let's go ahead and get it cleaned up. Depending on how dirty your filters are, first step for me is I do like to brush them clean. Oh, that's a lot of dust. In most cases, really brushing your filter clean is really all it needs. You just want to make sure that the filter is free of dust and free of debris. If you want to take the extra step, these filters can be washed in warm soapy water. Just remember, once you've washed this in warm soapy water, you need to make sure that you let it dry completely before installing it back into the mini split itself. Once your filters are clean to your level of satisfaction, now it's just reinstalling right back where we got them. Make sure when you're reinstalling your filters, they go inside the tabs. Once your filters have been reinstalled, you can lower and push your lid back into place. This process takes 3 to 5 minutes. And like I say, I recommend that you do this at least once a month with your mini split so you maintain optimal working conditions. You don't want this working too hard because you'll shorten the life of the machine. Once you've reinstalled the filters, if it's a plug-in model, clearly you can plug this back in, but this bad boy is ready to roll. And with that, we have got cool air and another month of a well-running machine. With closing, basic rule of the workshop, take care of your tools. They'll definitely take care of you. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you on the next one.